So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create status viewer just like WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram or any other social media platform for Kotlin Multiplatform application using Compose Multiplatform, or you can say Jetpack Compose. Okay, so let's get started. As you know that I have already showed you how to create image slider in Jetpack Compose for Kotlin Multiplatform application. So I'm using that project for the state sphere. So here I'm going to create a new class, name it like status your screen. Okay, and then okay and then we need to create a composable function. Screen, and then we need to create a images list. Let's say name it images list is equal to a list of, and then we need to pass the variable here res dot variable dot image1. Okay, then res dot variable dot image2, and then res dot variable dot image3, and then the res dot variable dot image4, and then last variable dot image5. Okay, okay, now we need to create a pager state. So while pager state is equal to remember pager state. Okay, page count, it will be lambda function, so we need to add parentheses, and then we need to pass the image list size. So okay, then we need to import the experimental API. Okay, and then we need to create a view. Let's say box modifier or fill max size. Okay, then inside body we need to create horizontal pager. A state will be pager state, which we have created earlier, and then inside it we need to okay, it will return the current page. Okay, and then we need to create a item for the pager. So let's say compose fun status item. It will take the variable source. So let's say resource. Okay, and then box modifier do fill max size. Okay, and then inside the body we need to create image painter resource status. Okay, then we need to content scale dot fill max dot fill bound. Okay, and then we need to create description, which will be in this case null, and then we need to create modifier. Okay, modifier dot fill max size. Okay, then we need to go back to the horizontal view page, and then we need to call the status item, and then image list current page. Okay, now we need to create a for indicator just like WhatsApp or Facebook. So we need to create another composable. Hold on. Fun progress indicator. Okay, which will take 3 parameters. First it will take count, and then current page, and then progress. Okay, which will be float type. Okay, and then inside, let's say we need to create a indicator height. So let's say indicator height is equal to, let's say, 8.db. We need to import the db, and then we need to create row. We need to import this, and then modifier to fill max fit, padding dot padding like 8.dp, then height, which will be indicator height. Okay, and then we need to define the arrangement. So horizontal arrangement dot space between. Okay, and then we need to create a repeat. Okay, and then we need to pass the count parameter here, and then we need to create a box, and then we need to create a modifier dot weight 1f dot height indicator height. Okay, dot padding like 6.dp. Okay, and then we need to create like a variable like is current page is equal to index is equal to hold on, index. Okay, to page. Okay, and then we need to create a canvas here, and then we need to create a modifier here, fill max size. Okay, and then we need to create 2 lines. First we'll need to create disable line, and then we need to create a current page line. So we need to define 2 draw line. Okay, first we need I'm going to create a disable line, draw line. Okay, and then color, which will be color dot gray dot copy alpha like 0.3f. Okay, and then start like offset 0f comma size dot height divided by 2f. Okay, and offset 0 like size dot width comma size dot height to f. Okay, and then we need to define stroke width, which will be like indicator height dot 2 pixel. Okay, and then we need to stroke cap. Okay, define stroke cap dot round. Okay, and now we need to define another draw line is current page var and x is equal to size dot width multiply by progress. Okay, and then we need to copy this. Okay, instead of passing the gray color, we need to create dot red, and instead of passing the size dot width, we need to pass the and x. Okay, and now we need to create automatically page changes. Okay, so go back to above, and then we need to create a launch effect, which will be take page dot current page. Okay, and then progress. So we need to create another parameter here, variable here, var progress by remember new table state of 0f. Okay, import the missing libraries. Okay, and then progress is equal to 0f, then while progress less than 1f, then delay let's say 550, and then progress is equal to 0.01 f. Okay, and then var next page state dot current page plus 1 modulus image list dot size. Okay, and yep, so pages state dot animate next page. Okay, so it's better to launch coroutine scope, so we need to create a variable coroutine scope is equal to remember coroutine scope. Okay, if you do not launch the coroutine scope, then it will kind of jerk, you need to see. Okay, so that's why I'm creating the coroutine scope here. So let's say here coroutine scope dot launch, cut this line and then paste this line. Okay, and now we need to create call this screen in the application. Okay, status viewer screen. Okay, then let's run it. We need to wait. So the installation is finished. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. I need to call the indicator here. Images list dot size, okay, comma pages state dot current page, comma progress, okay. Now I run it again. So here you can see, okay. Now I am going to run the desktop application. You can see desktop application on Mac and iOS as well. You can see, okay. And now I am going to show the web application. Let's drop all this app and just run it. So it will take some time, so let's wait. Here we go. You can see, okay. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question or query, then you can leave me a comment